Christmas cheer. Let's spread it now for all to hear. And I know that I'll see town where is snow falling. I see snow upon the ground, and it makes me smile to know I'm still around for another Christmas year. Another Christmas filled with cheer. We believe in Santa Claus. We believe in Mrs. Claus. We believe it's Christmas cheer. Let's spread it now for all to hear. Spread it, Jay. Mrs. Claus. We believe in Christmas cheer. Let's spread it now for all to hear. We believe in Santa Claus. We believe in Mrs. Claus. We believe in Christmas cheer. Let's spread it now for all to hear. We believe in Santa Claus. In Santa Claus. We believe in Mrs. Claus. In Mrs. Claus. We believe in Christmas cheer. In Christmas cheer. Let's spread it now for all to hear. We believe. Do you believe? I believe that Big Al's gonna come up here and rip the bass. Oh.
No, that's Big Al. What? Let's call Big Al!
Give it up for Al. He is the legitimate fourth Seagull. This one's about Christmas time. And the gals. Alright, we're gonna do this one for you. It's our last song. Thank you so much. We're Dick and the Foreskins, aka the Seagulls, aka Scuba Steve and the Hermit Crab. What was it? Or the Hermit Crab or something? Sand Crab? Stone Crab. Alright, yeah. Alright, up next to the Hellbound Drifters, we are I Just Told You So. This one's about the hose. Of the Christmas type. There's girls all around me, dressed in Christmas stockings, making my head spin, wondering which I'll get in. Baby, you got what I need. Just take it off and show me. I'll take you away to another place. Christmas hose! Christmas hose! Come on! Christmas hose! Christmas hose! Woo! Well, you've been looking fine. I wanna make you mine, baby. All the time, yeah, all the time, baby. Yeah, show me what you got on. Yeah, take off that thong, girl. Let's make it real. Let's make you feel. Come on, Christmas time. wanted is you. You and those Christmas hoes, baby. Yeah, you got me in a trance. Come a little closer. I wanna show you exactly what I got in store. I'll make it snow all over these hoes. Christmas hoes. Christmas hoes. Christmas hoes. Christmas fucking hoes. Christmas hoes. Christmas hoes. Christmas hoes. Christmas hoes. Yeah. That's right, Bemos. Christmas hoes. Christmas hoes. You got Chad Hughes on the drums, Jay Story on guitar, Big Al on the bass. Thank you guys. Up next, Hellbound. Thank you, Bemos. We love you.